Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to reactivate TikTok account. To reactivate TikTok account, first you have to tap open your application. Then tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. And now you can just tap on login to log back in with the same account that is presented here. If not, you can tap on add another account and then use your email, phone, or username linked with TikTok. You can also continue with Facebook and Google as well. I will just go back and then tap on login, tap on login again, tap on continue, and it will take you to this page where you can reactivate your account from. It will take just a few minutes to recover all of your contents. Tap on reactivate, go to your profile, and here you go. You have successfully reactivated your TikTok account. Now you can enjoy watching videos and different contents in TikTok. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.